Hi everyone, welcome you once again to Micro Learning. This is Shailaja with Class 12 Economics, Lesson number 2 National Income. So, now in today's class we are going to see the internal question of this particular chapter, that is National Income. You're going to see internal questions. So, the first one, define national income by Marshall. So you have a definition. The labor and capital of a country acting on its natural resources produce annually a certain net aggregate of commodities, material and immaterial, including services of all kind. This is a true net annual income or reserve of the country or national dividend. So we should write the name of the economist. So you will be knowing the name of the economist because you would have seen the previous slides. Yes, I think you have guessed it right. It is none other than Alfred Marshall. So whenever you write this definition, please towards the end write it as Alfred Marshall. What do you mean by national income? Because they have asked here as Marshall, so the Marshall's definition is given here. What do you mean by national income? National income means the total value of final goods and services produced in a country during a particular period of time, that is within a year. The national income has to be calculated, that is from April 1st to March 31st. What write the formula for calculating GNP? GNP at market price is equal to GDP market price plus net factor income from abroad. Now, what is the formula for calculating NNP at factor cost? NNP at factor cost is equal to NNP at market price minus direct tax plus subsidies. We have covered all this in the previous slides. What is the other name for depreciation? Depreciation is also called as capital consumption allowance. What is per capita? What is personal income? Personal income is the total income received by an individual of a country for all sources before payment of the direct tax in the year. So for personal income, when you are writing your answer, okay, for personal income, when you are writing your answer, be very careful. You have a formula. Okay, that is personal income is equal to, that is you have to write a formula. Personal income, I'll just put it as PI. Personal income is equal to national income minus social security contributions and undistributed corporate profit plus transfer payment. You should write this equation below this answer. What is and then here I've already given how is personal income calculated. So you have to always write this combined. Okay, this you have to write it combined. Suppose if they are going to ask you a question in the board exam, what is personal income? Please write these two answers together, because you have to write what is personal income and you have to write what is the formula for it. Then how does personal income differ from national income? Personal income is never equal to national income because personal income includes the transfer payment, whereas transfer payment is not included in the national income as such. So whatever I have underlined is supposed to be the keywords. So you whenever you write in your exam, please just with a blue pen. Okay, whenever anyway you're going to write in a blue pen. When you write it in a blue pen, please underline it. Next one, what is disposable income? Disposable income is also known as disposable personal income. It is the individual's income after payment of the income tax. What is the difference between personal income and disposable income? Personal income is obtained before deducting income tax, whereas personal income is obtained after deducting personal income tax. Okay. Write the formula for disposable income. Disposable income is equal to personal income minus direct tax. Define per capita income with the formula. All of us know that per capita income is equal to national income divided by population. Okay. Next is they have asked define personal income with the formula. So you have to write what is personal income. What is personal income? Personal income is supposed to be, yes, I think you are guessing it. Personal income is an income of a person in a particular year. So okay, or you can put it as average income of a person in a particular year is called as per capita income. And then you can write this formula. So what is per capita income? The average income of a person of a country in a particular year is called as per capita income. Next is list down the methods of measuring national income: production or value added method, income method or factor, earning method, expenditure method. What is income method or factor earning method? In this method, national income is calculated by adding up all the income generated during the year. Next one, state expenditure method or outlay method with formula. So under this method, what can be done? Total expenditure incurred by the society in a particular year is added together. That's nothing but GNP is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Okay, C stands for consumption, I stands for investment, G stands for government expenditure. X minus M, all of us know, X is for export and M is for import. Why is the service of household not included in the national income? Because the household services is not included in the national income. That is, the love and affection of a housewife is performed. Her domestic work cannot be measured in monetary terms as such. Write a note on capital gains. Capital gains arises when capital assets such as house, stock, etc. is sold at a higher price than was paid for it at the time of purchases. What are the different sectors of the economy under social accounting? Firms, household, government, rest of the world, and capital sector. What is capital sector? Give example. It refers to savings and investment activities. Example, transaction of bank, insurance, financial houses. Differentiate nominal income and real income. Nominal income is national income expressed in terms of general price level of a particular year. Real income is the buying power of a nominal income. Why is self-consumption difficult in measuring national income? Farmers keep a large portion of their food production on the farm for self-consumption. The problem is whether that part of the product which is not sold in the market can be included in the national income or not. What is the difference between NNP and NDP? NNP, GNP minus depreciation allowance. NNP is equal to GDP minus depreciation. Add. Trace relationship between GNP and NNP. GNP at market price is equal to GDP at market price plus net factor income from abroad. I hope you remember all these formulas when I was taking class for you. NNP at market price is equal to GNP minus depreciation allowance. Next is give the expansion of PQLI. PQLI is nothing but physical quality of life index. How it is computed? By the standard of living, by life expectancy at birth, and literacy. Define GDP deflator. GDP deflator is an index of the price chart of goods and services included in GDP. I hope this will be useful for you because this is internal questions. You can go through it and just write it down, and whenever you get time, just keep on reading these things so that you never forget, and it is useful for your higher studies. Those who are pursuing for UPSC exam and all can prepare from these internal questions. So those who are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and support me. Click on to the bell button for further notifications. Thank you.